proof niyan, these doors lead to their service elevators. So we really share one facility. This is our mess hall. This is where the kids or the students take their meals. Right now, there's no food service yet because the idea is for them to cook their own meals. No? May kitchen po yan. So, equip din po kami ng mga ramps. No? And these are kitchen po. This is the hot kitchen. This is the cook. This can hold two classes at the same time. Industry grade po lahat ng ito. So lahat ng nakikita niyo po dito are the same equipment and facilities that you will find in Seda Hotel. So pareho po yan, and in most hotels for that matter. So lahat po ng safety features required by code are present. Lahat po niyan. Tapos lahat, ang aming pong water is hot and cold. So medyo ano po yan. And each area is good for 4 groups at a time. So kasi po required ng CHED na not more than 25. But kami po, para mas specialized, we only accommodate up to 4 groups. Para mas tutok talaga po yung instruction. This way po. This door or this room on the right is our travel laboratory, travel kiosk, para po sa mga tourism students natin. So this room po will be decorated with maps, world map, computers, to simulate an actual travel agency.